Do you guys want to see the Android Auto system installed in the W204 C63 AMG? Because I definitely want to order one and install it. Let me show you guys exactly how it's going to work. It replaces this screen right here. We're going to put the Android Auto system in this screen. So basically it comes out of the front over here. I'm going to show you guys. You remove this screen right here and these little panels, so these two things and this screen, it comes out and basically it gets replaced with an entire screen right there. And then you can run Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It's a super awesome system. It's not one of those big crazy screens that kind of looks cheap and funky. It's an OEM plus retrofit. And yeah, that's the one that I want to order. And I want to get your guys' opinion. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys want me to order it. Because if I get enough comments, enough views, enough watch hours, enough likes, I will probably order one. And then it's going to take about 2 weeks to arrive. And then we'll do a unboxing video. We will do a review and an install video all at once of this Android Auto system. So let me know, guys. Really excited to do that one. It's been on my list for a little while now. But yeah, we've just been busy with a whole bunch of things. It takes time to, you know, order stuff and then plan a day to rip apart the entire interior and the audio system, do that. But I think it'll be fun. In the meanwhile, we got a couple other things that are on order. Little stuff, kind of doesn't really matter to you guys, but it's more for me. So yeah, my watch strap, it is finished. So I got a new one. That's really nice. Then the next thing that I ordered is I got a camera, and it's one of those mini GoPros. Goes right here, so works. It's gonna work great. I've already tested it, but I need the head strap so that I can put it on top of my head, and I also need an SD card. So funny enough, it didn't come with an SD card, but that's okay. So we ordered one from Amazon. It's gonna come probably tomorrow. The strap is gonna come a little bit later, so we got a couple things on order, and it's gonna be super exciting to install. So yeah, quick little short update for you guys. C63 is running great. I am running great. It is a beautiful sunny day outside. We had tons and tons of snow. And speaking of snow, the reason why we got this camera and this setup is because a lot of you guys were like, yo, we want to see some more POV footage of you driving the car, especially in snowstorms. So that is what I am gonna bring you guys. I'm gonna get this camera ready and mounted, and we're gonna put the phone in the back so you guys can get all the crazy audio with all the pops and bangs and burbles and crackles and downshifts and upshifts and all the crazy exhaust notes. I'm gonna sync it up so that it's all nice and good. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see me order that Android Auto system, and then we will install it. It's gonna be super fun and it's gonna work great. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.